Welcome to our video, Building Resilience, Infrastructure Innovations for a Changing Climate. In a world increasingly impacted by climate change, creating resilient infrastructure has never been more crucial. Join us as we explore innovative solutions ranging from green and smart infrastructure to flood-resilient designs and sustainable building materials. Discover how these advancements are shaping our communities and ensuring a sustainable future, with a focused look at energy resilience and effective water management solutions. Let's dive in. 1. The need for resilience. In a world where climate change is no longer a distant threat but a present reality, the need for resilient infrastructure has never been more pressing. Extreme weather patterns, from devastating floods to scorching heatwaves and violent storms, are testing the limits of our traditional infrastructure systems. Consider a bridge built decades ago. Once deemed sturdy, it now frequently faces stress from unexpected floods. Investing in resilience is not just a moral obligation but an economic necessity. Research indicates that for every dollar spent on adaptation to climate change, $4 are saved in disaster recovery costs. This means that proactive measures to strengthen our infrastructure can significantly reduce the financial burden of disaster recovery. By adopting resilient practices, we not only safeguard our communities but also ensure that future generations inherit a world that is equipped to handle the challenges of a changing climate. 2. Green infrastructure. Green infrastructure is emerging as a beacon of hope in the fight against climate change. Solutions such as urban green spaces, green roofs, and wetlands are proving invaluable in managing stormwater, reducing urban heat, and protecting against flooding. Imagine a city where every rooftop is adorned with lush greenery, not only beautifying the landscape but also absorbing excessive rainwater during storms. A prime example of this approach is Singapore, a city that has seamlessly integrated greenery into its urban planning. By doing so, Singapore has effectively mitigated heat and flood risks, turning potential vulnerabilities into strengths. These green spaces act as natural sponges, absorbing rain and reducing the heat island effect, thereby making urban environments more livable and resilient. 3. Smart infrastructure. In the age of technology, smart infrastructure is revolutionizing how we respond to environmental threats. Advanced sensors, Internet of Things, IoT, devices, and artificial intelligence, AI, tools are being deployed to monitor and predict potential hazards, allowing for proactive and informed responses. Picture a city equipped with sensors that detect rising water levels, sending real-time alerts to authorities and residents. Japan exemplifies this strategy by employing smart systems to minimize the impacts of earthquakes and tsunamis on its cities. These technologies not only enhance the safety of urban areas but also enable quick reaction times, potentially saving lives and reducing damage. 4. Flood-resilient designs. Flood-resilient designs are critical in safeguarding coastal and flood-prone areas. Innovative solutions such as elevated buildings, roads, and advanced flood barriers are being implemented to protect communities from rising waters. Imagine a neighborhood where homes are built on stilts, allowing floodwaters to pass beneath without causing damage. The Netherlands Delta Works is a globally recognized flood management system, demonstrating the effectiveness of such measures. By employing sophisticated barriers and water management systems, the Netherlands has successfully defended its low-lying lands from the threat of the sea. These designs not only prevent catastrophic flooding but also enhance the overall resilience of affected areas. 5. Sustainable building materials. The construction industry is undergoing a transformation with the introduction of sustainable building materials. Innovations such as carbon-absorbing concrete, cool roofs, and recycled materials are reducing the environmental impact of construction while increasing the durability of structures. Imagine a skyscraper that not only stands tall against the elements but also actively reduces its carbon footprint. These materials not only contribute to the resilience of buildings but also promote sustainability by minimizing waste and energy consumption. By adopting these innovative solutions, we can build structures that stand the test of time while protecting our planet. 6. Energy resilience. the importance of energy resilience cannot be overstated in the face of climate-related disruptions. Microgrids and renewable energy sources like solar and wind are ensuring power reliability even during extreme weather events. Consider a community powered by solar panels and wind turbines, remaining lit and functional even when the main grid fails. Puerto Rico's microgrids have proven effective after Hurricane Maria, providing a reliable energy source when the traditional grid was compromised. By diversifying energy sources and decentralizing power distribution, we can create a more resilient energy infrastructure that withstands the challenges posed by climate change. 7. Water management solutions. Water management solutions are vital in addressing water scarcity and ensuring drought resilience. Technologies such as desalination plants and rainwater harvesting systems are being utilized to provide sustainable water sources. Imagine a city where rainwater is collected and stored during wet seasons, providing a buffer during droughts. Cape Town's water-saving initiatives have been instrumental in managing its severe drought crisis, showcasing the effectiveness of such strategies. By implementing advanced water management solutions, communities can secure their water supply and thrive even in the face of climate-induced challenges. Each of these innovations represents a step forward in building a resilient future. By integrating these solutions into our infrastructure planning, we can create a world that is not only prepared to withstand the impacts of climate change but also capable of thriving in its presence.